They're trying. Good job, girls.
Hold the net.
They can do it. They're just taking their time and the mama bird's freaking out.
It's caught in the net. You got it?
Can you reach that far though, honey?
Oh, it's just this foot. Don't pull that in.
You're doing great, Blake.
Yeah, if you touch it, the mama bird will abandon it. Do not pull it. It's stuck on its foot.
You get it? Oh, Blake, awesome. Good job. Now, can you reach that far? Don't fall in, babe.
Oh my God. Get in there. Now he won't get off the towel. You should keep him as a pet.
No. Careful. There you go, Blake.
Let me see the end of the thing.
There he goes. He's okay. He's okay. Let's get down and go away for a while and let the mama bird help.
Put him in there.
I'm afraid he'll jump out again. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, girls.
He's like
Where'd the other one go, though, you think? Did it jump out, too? Or was there only one in there?
There was two.
Just a minute ago?
Yeah, but it didn't go in the water. We don't know where it went.
Okay.
It's with it.
It's with the mama? Okay, let's get out of the boat.